See the moon before it dies, weave a final curtain. Empty sighs fill the skies, melancholy moon. Darkness is rising, embracing and disguising. Don't let it chill you or still your heart, for the moon will come again, light the sky with laughter, and until then wait for when the melon moon begins to soar, and a moonbeam light